Hi and welcome to Table Talk with Aimée
And Sophie.
This week has been all about Science Week. We went to Sevenoaks School again and met with a number of primary schools there as part of their outreach programme.
In preparation, I spent all week in computer science mode, debugging kit and making sure it was robust, that it could stand up to that volume of testing.
We moved from computer science to chemistry. So in that test mode, we had 130 kids come and demo kit, so the matching process to see who they were to be matched with, from chemistry to
physics. There was a bit of push and pull, opposing forces this week between Aimée and I. We had to start making a decision around what our real theory of change was going to be, so what impact we were going to measure as a business. But from physics, we move on to biology.
And not what you're thinking. More about how do we keep us as PKT alive. And so we were thinking about funding. We are going to be bootstrapping for the next few months, but we were also thinking about where could we get the best people and support to help make KIT a real reality. So we ended on a firecracker. Sophie, do you want to share what wonderful Alice shared with you about KIT?
Quote Alice, "I am so impressed that it is at this level for such an early stage," which was so heartwarming for us as we had our first people really use KIT. I think we're definitely both feeling very proud about where we've got to over the past 3 months.
If we run down the things that we have learned in the last week around KIT. So we have learned character, winner.
Yeah.
Matching process,
Winner.
Alexa,
Winner.
work to be done.
Yeah. Technically limited.
Yes, work to be done. Team.
Winner.
So thank you for staying with us for Science Week. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to catching up with you again soon.
Bye.